guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how I got this hair from having this hair and made it to this hair using the Manic Panic Shocking Glue and Lilacs.
Okay guys, ito na yung mga gamit natin. Mga pangpipit ng buhok. Ito, nabili ko lang ito ng 33 pesos sa supermarket. Petroleum jelly to protect your skin sa stain. Tapos ito, Manic Panic Lilacs and Manic Panic Shocking Glue. Tapos meron tayong conditioner dito if ever na mabitin. Hindi lang natin mag-dilute. I also have gloves here. And bumili ako ng black towel and a mirror na sinet up ko para makita ko yung likod ng hair ko.
So yan, tinali-tali ko lang siyang ganyan. Tapos ito na yung ating tripod. Okay guys, so ito yung before ng hair ko. Mag-insert na rin ako ng mga clips to show you yung how yellow my hair is. Kasi ito actually, I tried making a DIY shampoo and conditioner. Ito, fail siya eh. Kaya ang gagawin ko na lang, magkukulay na ako ng totoo. Meron din akong ganito. Ano to? Plastic na pinaglagyan ng laundry na press. So, I only use shampoo and no conditioner para mas kumapit sa buhok yung Manic Panic. So, I'll go ahead and put on my gloves, my mace-shaped cape, and I'll put petroleum jelly on my forehead, the sides of my face, on my neck, so that if the dye gets into my skin, it's very easy to wipe off. So here I'm using Manic Panic Shocking Blue, and as you can see, it's a very pigmented blue. And I'm using the brush to apply it on my hair. And you can also use the comb on the other side of this kind of brush to distribute the dye. And make sure you get the dye on every strand of your hair. Otherwise, there's going to be orange streaks or yellow streaks of hair in between the blue ones, and that's not gonna look pretty at all. So go ahead and massage it in there. Use your comb, use your brush, or use your fingers to make sure that it really coats every stand. So if you're doing your own hair, make sure you have a mirror to be able to see the back of your head, because as you can see here, there's orange parts on my hair, and I'm making sure that it is coated with hair dye as well. And this is me having an accident, but I was able to wipe off the stain easily because I had petroleum jelly on my hair. So next, we're going to the next section of my hair, and for this section I will be using Manic Panic Lilacs. And you can see here I'm very excited for this color because I love purple, and lilacs is, well, a lilac shade, but it's a very blue tone shade, and it's almost neon actually. So there you see how excited I am, and it's very, very pigmented, though I have to say that Shocking Blue is much more pigmented than this. And actually Shocking Blue it actually washes off on water. That's how pigmented it is. So as usual, just get the dye in there and on every strand of your hair. and also the ends, the very ends of your hair. So if there are parts that I see that were not covered by lilacs, no matter how much dye I put, I use shocking blue because it's more pigmented. So it became like a blend of lilacs and shocking blue in the end actually. So for this next section, I think I did bigger chunks of hair and used mostly my fingers to get the dye into my hair. So for the next part, it's the hair that is in front of your face, or basically the top of your head. And this is the part that will basically be seen every time. So I made sure that I'm more precise on these parts. This is the side of my face and also the top of my head. So for this, I think I was doing an alternate of lilacs and shocking blue. And as usual, I just made sure that there are no orange hairs left. And I was doing smaller sections of my hair since I was trying to do like an alternate color of blue and purple. So just the same method. And here for my bangs, as you can see, I was very precise as well, because this is the part that are very visible. And as they say, these are the sections that will frame your face. So if there are colors that you want to show up near your face, then you have to be very precise on coloring, right? You know, right on your bangs or on the side of your face. So I was also doing an alternate of blue and purple here. So alternate of shocking blue and lilacs. And having a comb is definitely helpful. So as I was saying earlier, shocking blue is very pigmented. When you wash your hair off, it washes off in the water, but your hair is still, you know, very much blue. So later on, I realized that shocking blue is very pigmented to the point that a little goes a long way. You can blend it with a conditioner or a lighter colored dye. And the half tub that remained after me coloring my hair like this lasted me for a long time for retouching. So as you can see here, I'm checking out strands that frames my face, and I think I was very, well, not very, but a little tired at this point. So either way, I just continued, you know, massaging the dye into my hair. So here you can see that I'm massaging it, massaging the hair dye onto my hair, like so. And I wanted the top of my head to look purple rather than blue. So I put lilacs. And here I'm putting it on a bun, since I will be leaving this on my hair for as long as I could. And here you can see that some of the stain is easily wiped off, but some are not. So petroleum jelly does help, but you know, try and avoid getting the dye on your face as much as you can. So here I'm just using my makeshift cape into a shower cap.
We're done! Konti na lang. Ito, half pa. And 9 p.m. na. Anong oras ako matulog? Lagart.
Okay, so as you can see here, there's a lot of stain on my body. And I was shocked with how stained my back of the neck is. So there. And this is what it looks like when it was still wet after rinsing. I didn't use shampoo. And this is it after blow drying on daylight. I think this was a natural lighting.
Okay, so my final thoughts about this product is that I actually was aiming for an indigo purple hair. So I got the Manic Panic Lilacs because it is very blue toned, and I saw an image showing what it looks like on not very bleached hair. I'll show you here. And these two are the ones that were very pigmented and that I thought wouldn't give me a very red color. I'm actually happy with the color right here, although as you can see, it looks black on this lighting, but it actually has blue and purple tones to it. I'll definitely give you photos on how it looks like on daylight, but I don't have daylight right now. It's raining and it's already 6 in the evening, so I'll just post pics here. And then I'm happy with the color, even though some people would not like that their hair turned black, but from what you saw on the before hair color, right, some were bleached, some weren't bleached, and the unbleached ones turn black. So if most of your hair are unbleached and were copperish, then you wouldn't want to get these colors or any Manic Panic colors at all, because you won't get the vibrant colors that you are aiming for. So I recommend that you really have a bleached hair, or at least bleached highlights. This is also the color that you're aiming for. It actually has been a dream of mine to have blue-black hair. So this is real great for me. And if you see the daylight colors, it has a lot of purple tones here. And yeah. So I straightened my hair, by the way, and this is what it looks like. I washed it and with conditioner and then washed it again. For the first result, actually, I didn't like that I put too much blue here. So on the second, I just quickly put more lilacs here, and then it got more purple. And then I washed it with conditioner and straightened it. And here is how it looks like now. So my comments for this are, I didn't really expect it to be I expected it to be messy, actually. But my bathroom is very okay. It's not as messy as I expected or I had imagined. But it was more messy for me on my face, on my hands. As you can see, my nails are blue. I'm not sure yet how I will remove that. And my hair had always been blue since washing it. I also have blue stains here and here. And if you can see, I actually still have blue stains here. So it's quite messy. More messier on my skin than I expected it, but less messy on my bathroom. But yeah, I'm very happy with this. It was a bit difficult for me for my first time, but I got I got my dream blue, violet, indigo hair color, and I'm very excited. I'm very excited to see how this fades. So, what else? So that's it. I'll also link my Instagram below so that if ever you want to, check on how the color faded out and how it looks like on different lighting, then you'd be able to see that here. If this video was helpful, please click like, and if you'd like to see more, hit subscribe. And if you have friends who want to try coloring their own hair using Manic Panic, go ahead and share this to them. I actually am very happy with this color, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments, and I hope to see you in my next